for another video. As you can see, my hair are in Bantu knots, so I have been waiting a long time to get the blue hair paint wax, but hair paint wax, they keep being out of stock. So I tried another company, Mofajang, so I tried them, and upon first opening them and I smelled it, it smells like men's deodorant. I don't like the smell. It's too strong. I don't want my hair smelling like a man. I like the hair paint wax because it smells more like flowers and like more like a woman, very perfumey. But so anyway, when I only used a little bit, as you can see, I didn't have to use that much. That's one thing about Mofajang, is a little bit goes a long way. So I can see that I can have probably like 3 more applications for this one. When I applied it, I used hairspray, coconut oil, lots of coconut oil to offset the smell, and the Mofajang blue paint wax. And then I did a Bantu knot. I normally put it in twist out, but I was like, I want to try something different. I want to try Bantu knot. I normally don't like my hair Bantu knot because I don't like the way it curls too much. I like my hair to be stretched out when I wear it down, but we'll see how it goes. So let's see. So applying Mofajang in my hair yesterday didn't take too long. It dries. A little damp, but it does give me some nice definition. Look at that. Well, hello, definition. It's still a little wet because it didn't do the Bantu knot curl, but you know what, I'm fine with that. I like my hair to be stretched out. But as far as the color, it's popping through. So let's keep going. Yeah, this one's dry, you can tell. It's bunching up a little more. Oh boy. How is this gonna turn out? But this definition, like seriously, look at that. Yes, I'm wearing hoops today. I was just in the mood. You know, it's sunny and it's Saturday. It's bright. Even though I'm quarantined inside, I was just in the mood. Could have worn a dress, but I was like, I'm not in that much in the mood to wear a dress. Oh, see, I don't like when that happens. Look, this one did curl all the way, but this one did. So look at that. I'm like, come on. Now it's gonna be 2 different curl patterns. Well, not curl patterns, but two different curl styles. One's gonna be shorter than the other one, but I think I can work with it. I can just stretch it out a little bit. It does bleed a little bit. It's not that bad so far. Now, hair paint wax, the red one, I said in one of my reviews, that one bleeds a lot. So I'm excited. Let's go ahead and let's move this along. Let's get this taken down. Woohoo! Look at that one. Hello, blue. Let's keep going. Keep on going. I like how these Bantu knots came out. I'm usually not too grand at making Bantu knots. I guess because mine's are smaller and I usually do Bantu knots in twists, but this is just regular hair. So technically I haven't put Bantu knots in my hair in a very long time. I just wanted something different other than the twist out that I always do when I put in hair paint wax or wax color. This is my first time using Mofajang, so if I like it, I may order some more colors. Because right now I'm kind of loyal to hair paint wax because I have like 5 of their colors. Even though the red one just bleeds. Yes, I always talking about the red one. But the purple one, I'll link a video. I'll link the description in the link. I'll put the link in the description. It's like when you're talking, the sentence forms in your head first, and then it comes out your mouth. You know, all those systems are going, whatever. And sometimes it just takes takes a second, but you know what? I'll get there. I always do. See, almost done. So far it's looking cute. Now I don't like that part like that, so I'm just gonna swish it. Again, I don't use a pick to make my roots bigger. I just use my fingers and just run them through, pull up my roots with my fingers. Oh yeah, never mind. This Bantu knot definitely showed. You can tell. Now I am liking the color. Look how bright that is. Oh, part is still there. How dare you, part? Okay. Swing that over. Sometimes you just have to fluff it up in a way that you like it. And look at it, it's linking on my forehead. But I think this is nice. Yep, I am liking it. All right now, what's up, blue hair? Oh, blue hands. Like the Smurfs. Yeah, I like it. Okay, so I'm gonna get up closer so you can see how the color is just popping out. I mean, look at this color. I am loving it. You know when you like your hairstyle so much, you just start swishing it around, pretend like it's in the breeze. Or is that just me? Well, I am so glad I wore these hoops because this color calls for hoops, not studs. Not my normal studs I wear every day, but yeah, definitely. So Mofajang, well, let's smell it. The coconut oil worked actually. Like I can smell a little bit of the men deodorant, but the coconut oil really did dilute the smell. Sometimes I can just fluff so much and just try to be a perfectionist to get it to height that I want, but my other mind is telling me, it's fine, stop touching it. So, okay, so this is what we have. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And if you try Mofajang, the blue color wax, or any other color, just send me a picture in the comments so we can compare. And let me know which colors you like because I want to try other colors from Mofajang. Until then, bye!